I want you to introduce yourself. I don't know your name, where you're from, where do you live, how old you are, and I don't even know the name of your school, and I don't know whether you're Christian or not. So today I want you to introduce yourself. So let's get started from Rina. Okay, Rina. I want you to tell me your name and your age, then where you live, the locality, and then you belong to which denomination. Denomination means cộng sản, okay? And then to which take this microphone, and then your yes, all those things. Come on, tell me first.
My name is Zirlaite and I live in Ṭawnga.
Yeah, Ramtharveng. Okay. How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Oh, 10 years old. Are you a Christian?
Yes.
Christian or Muslim?
Christian?
Muslim.
No.
Okay. Give the microphone to Andrew behind you. Andrew, introduce yourself. Come on.
My name is Andrew Liansangze.
What? Andrew?
Liansangze.
Yesangzela.
I live in Ramtharveng.
Yeah, you're from Ramtharveng, right?
Yes, sir.
Then how old are you?
I am 10 years old.
10 years old.
Yes.
Okay, good. So you give the microphone to your friend next to you.
My name is Johnny Vanel Enkola.
Jenny Valal and Kola.
Yes, sir.
Jenny Valal and Kola, your name?
Johnny.
I thought you said Jenny. Jenny Valal and Kola. Then come
I
on.
am 8 years old.
8 years old.
Yes, sir.
Where do you live?
I live in Ramtharveng.
Ramtharveng. Really? Really?
Yes.
Are you a Christian
Yes, sir.
or Hindu?
No.
Okay, pass the microphone to your friend next to you.
My name is Dora Vanel Izoli and I am 10 years old. I live in Ramtharveng, Galilee.
Galilee.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you a Christian?
Yes, sir.
Christian, really?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing one Christian song? One gospel song? Just a sentence or two.
Goodness of God.
Come on. You sing it. Come on.
No, sir.
you know how to sing. If you're Christian, you must be able to sing, right? So let's hear one. Not even a stanza, okay? Just two lines of Christian song. Because I'm not Christian and I don't know what Christian songs are. I have never heard, so I'm curious about that. Come on, sing Goodness of God.
I love you, Lord, for your mercies never fails me. All my day, I've been held in your hand.
Yeah, that's very nice. That's a Christian song. Okay, give her big hands. Come on. Okay, pass on the microphone to your friend in front of you.
My name is Abisak Leshapui and I am...
What did you say?
My name is
Abisak?
Leshapui.
Abisak Larshetpuya.
Leshapui.
Oh, Larshetpuya. You know her. You know her before.
Yes.
You know her. Who is she? Is her name correct? Did she tell me her name right?
Yes, sir. I'm 11 years old and I live in Ramtharveng.
Ramtharveng. Okay. Are you Hindu?
No, I'm a Christian.
Christian. Okay. Do you believe in Jesus?
Yes,
Okay. Then who created heaven and earth?
Jesus.
Jesus.
God.
God of Jesus.
God.
God created the heaven and the earth. Okay. Okay. Yes. Come on. Tell me your name.
My name is Zirlaite Moy.
Yeah, your name is Lalrin Moy. How do they call you? Moya, Moy, Moy, right? Okay. Then, how old are you?
I am 14.
14. Okay, 14 years. And then, are you a Christian?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
No. You belong to Buddhism? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, very good. Then how do you pray? Do you ever pray? Yes. Like this. Something like that. Okay, Rina. What's your hobby? What's your hobby? Something that you want to do in your leisure, in your free time. Your hobby. You had any hobby?
Yes.
What is that?
Watching TV.
Pardon?
Watching TV.
Watching TV?
Yes.
What else?
Only watching TV.
Only watching TV.
Yes.
What kind of movie or what kind of channel do you like to watch?
Fulton channel.
What?
Fulton channel.
What?
Fulton channel.
10 channel.
Yes.
10 channel, you never know that one?
No, I don't know.
What is 10 channel? Me too. I love to watch only National Geographic. Okay, Kola, tell me what's your hobby?
Football.
Your hobby is playing football.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Then who is your favorite footballer? Tell me.
Ronaldo.
I don't translate for him, okay? Ronaldo.
Yes, sir.
Brazilian Ronaldo.
No.
Portuguese Ronaldo?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dora, what's your hobby? Come and tell me your hobby.
My hobby is to dance.
To dance.
Yes, I love dancing.
Do you love dancing? What kind of dance? Thailam or hip hop dance or Vai dance or what kind? Cultural
just like,
dance?
Reels dance, like.
Dance like. Can you show us a short dance? I want to watch you dance.
No, I'm shy.
No, nobody. We have no audience right now, so there is no reason to feel shy, right? Abi, don't have to feel shy, right? There is nobody watching us, so come on. What kind of music you like to dance with? What kind of music do you like to dance with?
Nothing.
Nothing. Then what is any other hobby?
No,
No.
I don't have any.
Abi, what's your hobby? Can you tell me your hobby?
My hobby is eating food.
Eating fruit. What's your favorite food? I mean, eating food or fruit?
Fruit.
Fruit.
Yeah.
Okay, then what's your favorite fruit?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Strawberry. The sour or the sweet one? You like
The sweet one.
The sweet one. What's the color of strawberry?
Red.
Red.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. What do you want to know about me? Come on, tell me. If you ask me anything, they want to know about me. Come on.
Are you a Kung Fu master?
Yeah, of course, I'm a Kung Fu master, and I've been teaching lots of students over the past 10 years. What made you ask me that question?
Because I see IG reels on you, and you like.
You saw me on IG?
Yes, like you do Kung Fu.
Can you imitate? Can you do like I do?
No.
No. Anyone else has a question about me? Come on, ask me. Come on, I'm ready to answer any question you ask me. Come on. Rina, you have any question for me?
Sir, what is your age?
My age? Yeah, my age, I was born in the year 2027. So I am minus one. Minus one. No way.
1999.
1999.
No, I saw you on the board. Like.
When did you see that? This morning or last week?
Morning.
Okay.
Oh,
79. Then 79. Then come on. 2026 minus 1979. Can anyone minus that? Subtract that?
1964.
1964. I can't be that old. Yeah, I gotta tell you. Not the B, it's webs. Say webs. Webs. W-A-S-P. Webs. Webs. He's my friend. It's my friend. He's waiting for me. We're going to have a lunch together after a few minutes. He's right up there. He's looking at me. He's looking. Hi. The Webs is my friend. Okay. Yeah, I'll tell you. Yeah, I'm 40. I'm 47 right now.
Yeah.
I'm 47.
I guess
Anyone
right.
guess it right?
Yeah, me.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Then any other question for me? Come on, ask me. I'm ready. You have any question for me?
Where
Moi,
do
you ask
you
me any
live?
question.
Sir, where do you live?
I live in Hong Kong. When I was a boy, I lived in Hong Kong, and then when I grew up, at the age of 15, I went to Tokyo again. There I lived for about 7 years, and then we moved to Germany, Berlin. There I lived for about 3 years, and then I went to Yangon. Yangon is Rangoon, okay? And then for about 2 years, I lived there. Then I came back to Pakistan. Pakistan. There I lived for about 5 years again, and now I live in India, in the state of Mizoram, and the locality I belong to now is Vivacon. Okay, Vivacon. And yes, ask me a question.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is chatting with kids, like class 5, class 10, class 15, class 20. I love to chat with them in my free time, And I love to eat, what is that very hot one? 2x noodles. 2x, very hot and very spicy. No. Is it bulldog? No, it is 2x. 2x, yes, 2x noodles. Very hot and spicy one.
Spicy noodles.
Yes, spicy noodle. I love to eat that. But my teardrops roll down when I eat those things. Have you ever tasted 2x spicy?
Yeah.
Yes. Moi, you eat
Why not
noodles?
drinking milk or water.
Yeah.
It's not spicy at all.
You know.
Yes.
You know 2x spicy? Yes, that's good. Okay. Then, it's lunchtime, right?
Yeah.
Are you hungry? Anyone starving?
No, sir.
Nobody is starving. Okay. You did describe me. You describe me. Say something about me. Say something about me.
You look very nice.
Yeah, thank you. I look very nice. Yes. And then the one who best describe me will be given sweet. Okay. Come on. I want each and every one of you to describe me. One word. Okay. Please, one word for me. One word for me. Okay. One word for me.
One word?
Yes, one word for me. Like you said before. Come on. One word for me.
You are handsome.
You're handsome. I'm handsome. Yes,
Yeah.
thank you. I give you one sweet. Yeah. One word for me.
You look very nice every day.
Yes, thank you. Come on.
You are fresh.
I'm very fresh. Yeah. Andrew, come on, speak louder than that. I just want to hear clearly.
You are very fresh.
Yeah, I'm very fresh. And Collie, you don't know anything to say about me?
No, sir.
You don't know. That means you don't get the candy. Come on. You like my subject. Thank you. Yeah. Moi, say something about me.
You look very nice today.
Yeah, I look very nice today. Yeah. Finally, and color describes me. I look very nice today. Yeah, that's right. Moi?
You You are
very
very
sweet
sweet
to me.
to me.
You are very sweet
To me.
to me. Yeah. Thank you, Moi. Yes, thank you all. Thank you all.
Bye guys.
Bye.